Hi friends, this is Praveen Vedaskar, Director Smart Living Home Automation Private Limited India. Hope you all are safe and well at home, taking care of yourself and your family. Let's work together for this pandemic and break the chain. Friends, since last 1 week, we all are at home. I'm also at home, and we are thinking what to do in this situation. So I had a thought in mind, and why not? I thought why not we share the knowledge or new innovation or new idea with you, and we have decided to click one small video to share the knowledge and idea during this time. Friends, you all are aware about smart living, always leading in innovation and creating new innovative product range for home automation market need. So today I am going to introduce one of the latest and innovative idea for home automation need. So let's come and check what. So here I have a very small setup and tried to show you the new innovative product range. Here I have put one 8 channel glass switch which is having 8 output dimmable channels. This is scene controller, 2 module scene controller where you can have different plug socket, all those etc. you can put here. Another here we have DT8 DALI type 2 DT8 driver along with tunable light, and this is connected over the bus with this 8 module plate. One more sensational product we have the BLE mesh interoperate with coupler interoperate with the SL bus. So this will take all BLE lights interoperate with the DALI bus. So this is bus 2 wire bus, and here I have Alexa for to show how integrate with this. And one more product we have here, the 8 this is 16 scene controller, wall scene controller and tab. So tab where you can see how this can be seamlessly control our system. Here we have kept 4 BLE SL bus BLE based driver which only connected with the 230 and connected to the light load. This all 4 are tunable and dimmable lights, and this is all 4 can interoperate with the SL bus BLE mesh, and this all 4 will communicate over BLE with this coupler. So this coupler is having inbuilt BLE, Wi-Fi and bus. So this bus is interoperate with the DALI. So this all will communicate over the DALI to BLE. So here I will quickly take you through the operational part of this system. So this 8 module switchboard having in output of 8 output of 8 channel. So this is 3, 4, 7, 8. So 8 output, you can take it through the 8 output, which is feather touch output. And the beauty of this output, you can have a on off, and here you can, if you long press this, you can have a dimmable. So all loads are dimmable here. So here I can dim up the light, and here I am dim down the light. If I long press first time, so I can dim down the light, and if I press, so I can dim up the light. So whenever I want, I can stop and I can get that so dimming effect. So from this touch I can have on off and dimmable feature in. So with this plate you can have a 2 module size space here Here you can put any SL bus 2 module product like scene controller, IR blaster, curtain module, anything you want, and you can program, you can club with this system. So here I have programmed a different 4 scenario here. So one all on, second all off, third one is red mode, and fourth button we have yellow. So scene or writing mode we have programmed here. So in one button I can program a 4 different scenario. So first scenario in this button is all on, second all off. If I long press for 3 seconds, so it will give you another scene, and second long press it will give you another scene. So here you can program any scenario of your area. Along with this keypad, you can connect any DALI dimmable driver, which can be DT8, DT6, whatever you just. Here we have connected this DALI DT8 driver with this system. So see here, from the scene control I can control the my all lights, all on, all off. Here I can control my DT8 driver also. See, from this in. So this, as an here you can connect a few DT8 or DALI node, or few you can connect a phase cut node or relay node for. So here I would like to share with you a very interesting solution. This is phase cut dimmable and tunable driver, which takes two input. One is dimming and second is tuning based on phase cut, and the output is for a tunable. So this is tunable light. Here I have used this 2 channel for dimming and tuning. So this 6 I have used for dimming, and this is for tuning. So just here I am just on off this. If I long press this, I can dim these lights. And with this I can tune the light from 3000 to 6000K. In the same form, so from app I can control this phase cut with the scene. So yellow, so with one click I can get a yellow, and I can get the dim, then I can get the off, and then I can get the white. So white to yellow with one click. So here the solution is based on phase cut dimming. You can get a dimming tuning with the single driver only. Here I will explain how the DALI Type 2 DTA driver can interoperate with seamlessly with our app and our system. So here I have a DALI Type DTA driver, this driver with this tunable light. So I can on off this. If I long press this, here I can dim up the lights. So dim down the lights. And this is a tuning, so I can change the tuning color up to 3K to 7K. Even I can dim the, so one cursor I can dim, one cursor I can tune the. So purely here the DT8 can be interoperate with our system. Node we have the scene controller, which is our new product, and this is also connected over the bus. And here I have programmed the various scene, so I can trigger the lights. So lights all on, all off. So here we have different scenario. So in one button we have red, yellow, or light all on, all off. So here we have program all on. So all on for my all lights. So the beauty of this solutions, here we have put some BLE drivers, and through this scene I am controlling over the bus and over the BLE mesh as well. So here I can control all off, and if I press long press, only BLE. So with this keypad I can program the only BLE lights, and here I can program and control only my touch switchboard, but here I can program touch switchboards and the BLE mesh. So here the beauty of solutions, I can control over the app and over the scene controller my BLE mesh and wired communication system. Let's check here how we can control through iPhone, through smartphone, our system, where we have the three groups. So one group is living. So here we have a program, a different scenario, and some nodes. So all on for this area. So I have programmed my this switchboard in living area. So I can trigger the various scenario, whatever scene I need. Even I can control the independent light also. Even I can dim the lights as per my need. Even every light or every scene I can program the scheduling also. So as per Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and clockwise I can program, and I can put this. So here I am going in another area. So here I am going in another area, which BLE module I have shown in BLE drivers I have shown in the bedroom. So only here triggering the bedroom. So all of and so finally you can control the entire scenario through Amazon Alexa. Turn on living all on.
Okay.
Alexa,
By the way.
turn on living all off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on master all on.
Okay.
So here I have triggered my SL bus and BLE mesh, all the lights on. Alexa, thank you very much. So friends, hope you enjoyed this video and this session. So I wish you to take care and stay safe at your home. Thank you.